Hello, I'm Louie Stowell. I'm a writer and illustrator, and I want to tell you about Loki, Tales of a Bad God, which is my £1 or 1.5 euros book for World Book Day 2024. I read this book recently, and I absolutely loved it. It's about a non-binary kid fighting for justice. What I liked about it is it gave me a real sense of hope that change is possible and that you can make a change even if you're very young. When I read this book, I was absolutely gobsmacked by how exciting it was. And also, I really liked that the main character is kind of mean some of the time. I like that in a character where he's got a bit of an edge, but it's also a kind of fantastic, pacey adventure. Highly recommend. Absolutely love this book. So funny. It's about a Viking explorer called Leif. It's hilarious, brilliantly illustrated, and it also teaches you about Vikings in a really unschooly way. This book is really powerful. It's called Fight Back, and it is for older readers. It's about a passionate hero standing up for what she believes in and learning to use her voice for good. I love mythology, and I really didn't know that much about Irish myths before reading this, and now I just want to know more and more. It's also beautifully illustrated by Shona Shirley MacDonald.